What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer. This is the Acer Predator Helios 300. I've been genuinely enjoying this laptop for the past month. This is where I've been playing all of my PC games, and it's been treating me really well. And we can't talk about a gaming laptop without touching on the specs. So this guy is powered by an Intel Core i7 7700HQ processor, a GTX 1060 graphics card, as well as 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, which makes this thing a beast at gaming. I've been able to play games with ultra settings in a lot of departments, so it's actually been awesome to game on it. And just taking a look at this thing, guys, it looks like a gaming laptop, and I'm okay with that. It's got this nice black and red color scheme. It even has a red backlit keyboard, which is actually very comfortable to type on. It also has a really solid and clicky trackpad. And if you're wondering about the I/O, we've got a couple of ports. On the right side, you've got your port for power, as well as 2 USB ports and a headphone jack. And on the left side, you've got an Ethernet port, a USB Type-C port for USB 3.1, as well as an HDMI port, a 3.0 USB port, and an SD card slot. So pretty much whatever you need to connect to this guy, you're gonna be able to do that. Now, something I like about this is that it's actually user upgradable. You have 256 gigs of solid state storage, and if you want to upgrade that, there's a bay so that you can add an SSD or a hard drive of whatever capacity you want right into the system. You can also change it from 16 gigs to 32 gigs. And this is a pretty big laptop. It's got a 15.6-inch IPS display, and it's in 1080p, which is good enough for a gaming laptop on a small screen like this. 1080p is just fine. The games I've been playing, like The Witcher 3, have looked really awesome. I've been playing some of my old school games like Grandia 2. And you've also got access to the Xbox app, so if you have any Xbox digital games, you can actually play them right over here. That's probably one of my favorite things about Windows and having the Xbox. You can play your games between the two systems, so that's really awesome. It's been really smooth, guys. And it's just a little bit over $1,000, which, if you think about it, is a really good deal. There are a lot of laptops out there that cost that much, but can't handle this kind of performance. So this is a very solid deal, and I am glad I got my hands on it.